Welcome back. A criminal complaint by Goa State Industries Association against the chairman, MD and former MD of Goa Industrial Development Corporation has struck panic. Efforts are on for a damage control. The association had a meeting with the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in Madgaon on Sunday. The Chief Minister denied to comment on the outcome. However, association says government should solve their problems on top priority.
Goa State Industries Association has filed a criminal complaint against Chairman of Goa Industrial Development Corporation Babu Kavlekar, present Managing Director Ajit Naik and former Managing Director A.V. Palekar. Complaint is filed for illegal allotment of plots causing loss to the state exchequer. Complaint was filed on Friday with DGP, Director of Vigilance, SP North, Panji Police and Police Station of Verna. Association has also forwarded a copy of the complaint to the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and opposition leader. They want a FIR against all including Chairman Babu Kavlekar, MD and former MD of GIDC. On this backdrop, association had a meeting with CM in Madgaon on Sunday. They want the Chief Minister to take the cognizance of the matter and resolve it.
Discussion अशें जाला की जो आमच्यो grievances आसा ताजेर आमी एक सोल्यूशन काडटले म्हणून अजून कांयच डिसायड जावना.
अजून कांयच डिसायड जावना. सीएमान कितें एश्युरन्स दिला तुमकां?
एश्युरन्स सदांच दिता सीएमान आनी आजूय दिला.
तुमी एश्युरन्साचेर बिलीव करतात की कितें जातलें अशें म्हणून?
पळय आनी कितें जाता तें.
आणि फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन कितें आसतलें तुमचें?
फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन will depend on what solution we find.
Chief Minister denied to comment on the outcome. Complaint by Goa State Industries Association says GIDC bypassed the laws, procedure in allotment of plots. Verna Industrial Estate, a major site of irregularities, corruption and bribery involved in the act. Now, the wheels are moving at the government level to resolve the issue. A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Former Chief Election Commissioner J.M. Lyngdoh has clarified that it wasn't his decision to disqualify Valanka Alemaos in Youth Congress election. The decision was taken by Youth Congress election officials at lower level as he backed their decision. Lyngdoh feels Indian political parties are undemocratic and even Congress does not prefer democracy beyond Youth Congress election. He has suggested a change in election system wherein parties contest polls and not individuals. Watch this exclusive chat with Lyngdoh in Prudence Head On.
It was in the news for quite some time when you disqualified Valanka Alemaos from contesting the election. What were your basis behind that decision and how would you justify it?
To tell you very frankly, the matter did not even come up to my level because KG Rao was on the scene and I think he took an instant decision and then he reported to me later and I said, Shabash, you've done a good job. So that's how it happened.
Are our political parties willing for an internal democracy?
No, they don't want to, obviously, and many of them don't want to. Some are more democratic than others. But I think it's time now for the Election Commission to be proactive.
When you're conducting Youth Congress election, do you think this internal democracy of Congress moving at higher levels, at a Pradesh Congress committee level or a higher level?
I don't think that the Congress party is interested in this. It is just Rahul Gandhi with his Youth Congress.
They wouldn't like to do it at a Pradesh Congress committee level.
Oh, it's a question of who's controlling the Congress party and whether the people who are controlling would like to have this sort of thing. I don't see them as being interested at the moment. You're seeing individuals fight it out in the constituencies, and for various reasons, it is perceived that the person who spends most is likely to win. And in its place, you can have proportional representation. But in proportional representation, the contest will be between parties, not between individuals. So that amount of money is not going to be required.
You're suggesting an entirely different system of going about.
Yes. It has to be done because in first past the post there's no hope.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Kohli in Mapsa is facing frequent water shortage, but PWD is busy passing the buck. Annoyed with the affairs of PWD, residents took out a morcha at PWD office at Mapsa. They have demanded a regular water supply and suspension of assistant engineer of PWD.
PWD! PWD! Murdabad! Murdabad! PWD! Murdabad!
Agitated Hollim residents marched to the PWD office demanding regular water supply. They claim that from past many months they are facing acute water shortage. Locals claim that in spite of requesting the assistant engineer to look into the matter, the assistant engineer failed to provide relief.
माझी गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे डिमांड आहे की त्याका ताबडतोब सस्पेंड करतो की त्यांनी ह्या भागात सुरळीतपणे पाणी पुरवठा करू ना म्हणून इतको पाऊस पडून सुद्धा आता ऑक्टोबर अजूनही पाऊस चालू आता ही परिस्थिती असताना सुद्धा मे महिन्यात किती परिस्थिती भयानक जातली याचे उदाहरण आताच तुमका कळटा त्यांना माझे गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे डिमांड आहे की ताबडतोब त्याका ऑनलाईन काढून उडवतो
त्याने फास्टला मोर्चा आणलेला त्यांना सुद्धा त्यांना सांगले ते येतात पळयतात वयता काय करिना फक्त त्यांना जाय त्यांना आता दीस बरं उदक शकता हे परत असले तसे बंद जाता आणि सगळे बायला सकाळी फुडें कामाक वयतात थोड्या वेळ तांकां उदक मेळना दीसभर आमकां उदकच नसता सकाळचे 2 वरां ते सोडटा तेच सारके सोडिना.
We spoke with the assistant engineer of PWD at Mapsa, Prakash Surlikar. He has passed the buck to the junior engineer.
It was regularized some 2 days back. Again it has happened and we got the report. I told them to give daily report, but they have not given me.
A reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Cross-border illegal fishing by fishermen from Karnataka is becoming a question of survival for the Goan fishermen. Fishermen from Betul are facing problems as the fish catch has gone down. They claim that huge trawlers from Karnataka are illegally fishing in Goan waters. They have demanded government's intervention to save their traditional business.
Illegal fishing in Goan waters by the trawlers across the border has become a serious issue. Last week, fishermen from Agwad area were attacked by the fishermen from Karnataka. The issue had also echoed in the State Assembly. Now, a complaint from fishermen in Betul. Fishing trawlers from Betul have stopped venturing into the sea from past many days. They claim that huge trawlers from Karnataka are taking away their fish catch.
त्या झाडा ओढल्या कारणान आमकां आतां थंय वचत जाल्यार एक जेबू पासून मेळचो ना की तेमची स्पीड हाय स्पीड आसता आनी तेमच्या स्पीडीन जे झाडां कॅट करून नुस्तें वयतले पळय न्ही ते नुस्तें फाल्यां आमच्या झाडांत बोटीच्या फुड्यात पासून रावचें ना.
जे आमी पळय म्हयनोभर फिशींग कितें करता थोडे थोडे ते सगळे 2-3 दिसां भितर सोंपयता फिशींग तेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंटाचे तेंचेर एक बरी एक्शन घेवची.
Moreover, they claim that fishing business on small scale cannot earn them bread and butter anymore. They too are now demanding government jobs.
गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे रिक्वेस्ट करता की हे आमचे बोटी आसा ते सगळे बोटी सरकारान व्हरपाचे आनी आमकां उपजिविके खातीर खंय तरी काम दिवपाचें नोकरी दिवपाचें ना जाल्यार कितें तरी आमचो बरें करपाचो.
A reporter from Betul, Ramesh Naik Raut.
It's time for another short break. Stay tuned.